food and drinks not cold enough? What gives? It may be as simple as how product is loaded into the refrigerator. Here's a quick how-to on how to load a commercial refrigerator properly. If the unit is being powered on for the very first time, or being powered on after a long period of time, allow the refrigerator to run at least 12 hours so the normal cooling cycle can acclimate. Loading already cold food and drinks will yield the best results, but if you have to load warm products, be sure to allow adequate time for the unit to return to its normal cycle to cool your products properly. If possible, leave the door closed for 12 hours after loading. Overloading the refrigerator will be a problem. Avoid stacking products all the way up to the top. Leave space at the top of every shelf and in front of vents and fans. The cool air needs room to circulate. Following these simple guidelines will ensure any commercial refrigerator will offer the daily results needed. This is Partstown signing off. See you next time.